In order to make housing more affordable and more accessible, it's all about reducing land take, but also not compromising on design. So that's a very important part of what we do. I'm Alan Miller, I'm the CEO of Villawood Properties. VillaRange is a part of the Villawood group. We developed the VillaRange product to specifically cater for people that were otherwise priced out of the market. The whole ethos around VillaRange is to try and bring the price point down. We focus on smaller allotments. In terms of energy use, they're cheaper to run. But we also then focus on high-end architectures. And so it's really important for us to go out, talk to really high-quality architects, engage them in their creativity.
I'm Andrew Steele, Managing Director of Studio 9 Architects and Design Lead for the VillaRange homes.
I'm Tony Vella, Director of Rachoff Vella Architecture, and my role was Design Director and Lead for the Highlight range homes. A couple of the defining features within the Highlight home is the big long kitchen island bench. When designing within a minimal width building, one needs to be clever about how kitchens are laid out within a rectilinear space and becomes the heart of the home. Continuing from the dining, we enter into the living space, has a slightly compressed ceiling, which provides a sense of coziness within that living space. This is then flanked by the central courtyard, which naturally is a passive solar collector, allowing fresh air and sunlight into the heart of the home. Our interior designers have put together a palette of materials that are warm and inviting, soft to touch, practical, and will stand the test of time. Another key design factor of the Highlight range is to create independent sleeping quarters. So the idea was to separate the two bedrooms down either end of the house so they can come together and share in a communal environment as well as having their own spaces to retreat to. We hope that the end users become enriched by living in such environments, and for that alone, that's an exciting proposition that within a small allotment, clients can get a taste of what good design can achieve.
Some of the key features that we're particularly proud of on the contour design is the generosity in height. The other key feature is the curved brick wall. That's something that you just don't see in an affordable home. When walking in the first time, we really wanted to focus on a sense of quality, amenity, and generosity with our home designs. With all of our designs, we focused on generating a really good connection with all of our internal and external spaces. The courtyard is a key feature of this. It allows light and ventilation into every room of the house. To ensure we have sustainability at the core of all of our designs, we integrate key passive design principles when we're planning the typologies, specifically around where spaces are orientated and making sure every room has good access to natural daylight and ventilation. What's been great is to do more than just the architecture. By partnering with Villawood and really executing a well thought out, well designed interiors, it's a package that comes as part of all of the VillaRange products, and every purchaser will be purchasing something that's been designed by an interior designer. The future for affordability for future home buyers should hopefully look like more of what Villawood's doing. A master planned community approach with sustainability at the core and using architects and designers to their strengths is something we look forward to being involved in.
I see the future of Villawood being continuing to do what we do, continuing to make housing more affordable, creating great communities, but also focusing on continual innovation. I'm most proud of is that all of a sudden we've made home ownership accessible to a whole lot of more people, and it's their sense of pride in the house, which is a fantastic thing to see.